In this video, we will draw a light bulb freehand with color pencils. We will begin the outline of the light bulb with light cerulean blue. Next, we will use indigo blue to darken the outline. Now we will work on drawing the glass shape of the bulb itself. The round glass shape of the bulb may also be known as the glass enclosure. Let's continue to draw the inside, which includes the insulator and rods for the filament. The part below the filament may also be known as the support wire. The area which I have referred to as the insulator may also be the fuse enclosure. We are working at the base where we would twist the threads of the bulb into a socket. This area with the threads is also known as the cap. We will use black cherry to add value or shading to help define the shapes of the light bulb. Now we will use black cherry to help darken the outline. Indigo blue and black cherry help each other to darken the light bulb. Although either color could be used on its own, the combination of the two will help add a little variety. To finish the color, we will again use indigo blue to color over most of the drawing. This will help to darken up the outline and give it more of a dark blue tint. Now we will continue to draw the filament. At this point, I'm good with how the light bulb turned out. The glass bulb lacks value to define its round shape because at the time I wanted to focus on the details inside. Overall, I'm glad that I was able to share the process of drawing this light bulb with you. Thank you for watching.